How to contact AI Sonic support. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to contact it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to contact, tap on the three lines at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find feedback. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply send an email to the contact support of the AI Sonic. Tap onto it. Now simply type the CC just like this and simply add or explain about the issue that you are facing on this app, and simply tap onto the send button right here. And that's it. This is how you can contact AI Sonic support. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.